Good morning, English teachers. I just wanted to remind you that there are library lessons available on the students' dashboards, and I wanted to show you a couple of new things in case the kids had questions so that you were aware of those also. On their dashboard, it will be listed as middle school library lessons, so they click on that course card, and it will bring them to the home page. They can click on library lessons. And I have put a menagerie of different genres. I'm getting ready to go into the informational research lessons that I will be adding. I want to bring to your attention and their attention, if you will, the lesson 15 for the new ebooks. I created an order, have received those, they're in, they're loaded, and I have created another order and I will let you know when they are loaded. This particular lesson goes through a form and they have a screencast video, which I'm going to walk through actually for you, of how to check out ebooks or even just read them without checking out if they're available. So what I showed them, if you go to your homepage, you can also check these out too. And they go to Destiny. They should know how to do that anyway. They log in as their student in their student account. They may come to the actual catalog. Mine comes to that one. They will probably have less over here. And they're going to go to Destiny Discover. Now they can still utilize those nonfiction ebooks through WorldBook on that entry tile too. But there are also ones in here, and the fiction ones will be in here specifically, and the new nonfiction. You will see these automatically come up for them to view. These are ones we've had for a while. They can go in. You can click see all and see everything if they wish. Or they can scroll down and look by topic. And then you may see some more. So there's lots of information on this page, but you can get a little more specific to looking for. These are some of the new ones I'm recognizing. And you can check these out also. But you will see other things, other genres or topics that they can look also. The only thing about some of these, this will show regular books too, unless you tell it specifically by format. So I encourage them to go to search options and then click on the pull down for ebooks. They can search by keyword or they can just leave it all ebooks and hit search. This may take a while. It's usually quicker. But this will bring up all the ebooks that we have in the library available for checkout. Okay, here's the option I wanted to mention to you. This one has been checked out. So somebody's in there, that's good. If they did not want to check it out, let's say there's 10 minutes left in class and they're through and you said you need to look for something to read, you can go look at some ebooks that are available in Destiny. They can always open the ebook and read, the first part of the book, even though they don't want to check it out and commit to checking it out, or they could check it out and save it and have it so whenever they're ahead they can read. And they move ahead and the book comes open. They should be able to access these from home. If they're not, let me know and I'll see what the issue is, because they should be able to. So they can go through the first part and maybe read for that 10 minutes of a book they think is interesting, and they don't have to commit to it. But like I said, they can if they'd like. They can, as I said, use this. I think this is the best one. If you're looking for ebooks, whether it's by keyword, is probably the best. They can also put in their reading levels if you prefer for them to do that. Over to the left, see if I can get it to go back in there. thinking the left had some more filters on that side. It usually, there it is. It will come up by author and subject and genre. Always choose their ebook format if they're looking for ebooks. Series, you may find some, but I think that the genre probably and the author. Also, right after that lesson that they have as lesson 15, I have included a list of the new ebooks. So they'll have that, so they'll be able to go by list, and maybe they'll see one that looks very interesting, or maybe you'll see one that looks very interesting. And as soon as that's 90 of them, the next 50 are available, I will put list number 2, new ebooks, right after that one so that they can check that out too. And I hope you will, because it's a nice way to read. And you can test it too at home and see if you can get into Destiny, and let me know if you're able to access that ebook at home. Thank you so much. I appreciate all you do for our kids. Talk to you later.